Babo kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Hawaiian Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Hawaiian Pampanga community. For today's vlog, pagpasensyaan nyo na guys, medyo parang malayo kayo sa akin dahil di ko abot yung camera ko. Usually, naaabot ko yung camera ko dito, but now I'm like more than 3 feet away from you guys because nagpapasalamat po tayo sa Untitled Pizza for sending us 3 of their pizzas actually. So by far, this is the largest pizza that ever arrived dito po sa bahay namin. 4 different kinds of flavors in one pizza, in one order. This is actually their 36 inches or 3 feet in diameter pizza. Meron din silang pinadala dito na 24 inches. This pizza naman has a flavor of Shawarma Pizza. Actually, meron pang isa. Wait lang. Okay, so this is the other pizza. Itong 24-inch pizza na pinadala na. The third one is actually a bacon mushroom, and then this one is a supreme. So if you notice, it is overloaded with bacon, ham, mushroom, some bell peppers, and black olives. So of course, meron tayong cheese, overload with cheese. Okay, dito tayo magfo-focus, okay? Wait lang. So this 36 inches pizza has 4 flavors in it. Kuha tayo dito. Ooh. Oh man. Oh wow. Another flavor to taste is this Hawaiian pizza. So let's get something somewhere in the middle. Okay, so this is their Hawaiian pizza. Also, guys, what I like about these kinds of pizza is yung thick dough. Medyo ayoko yung mga thin crust pizza. So, swak na swak sa gusto ko to. So, next I wanna try is yung kanilang shawarma pizza. Take a look at this, guys. This is so beautiful. Pagkabukas pa lang nito kanina, sabi ko, ito yung titingnan ko talaga. Woo! So, you got your meat on top, some shawarma sauce, lots of onion, some cucumbers, of course, lots and lots of cheese. Wow! Sarap nito, grabe. So this is the 4th flavor that we're gonna taste. Just to mention pala, they have 6 different kinds of sizes. So starting from 12, 14, 18, 24, 30, and 36 inches, which is, this is the largest. Just to mention again, si Untitled Pizza is located po sa Apalit, Pampanga. If you want these pizzas to be delivered straight to your doorsteps, make sure to call the number we're gonna be providing below, as well as yung fan page nila. You can contact them for, pricing and delivery, and yeah, just talk to them if you want to experience these really huge pizzas. This is great again for your family gatherings, but then again, of course, given na po yun, so we have to practice social distancing. Make sure it's really intimate. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Hawaiian Pampanga. If you like this video, please guys, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. It's gonna help our fan page to grow, to reach more people, and at the same time, guys, we can share more content similar to this. So thank you so much for watching Hawaiian Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye, guys. One more.